What's hidden beneath Antarctica's ice? Lost civilizations, secret maps, and forbidden discoveries. We are told Antarctica is a frozen wasteland, a continent locked in ice for millions of years. But radar scans don't lie. Beneath nearly 2 miles of ice, something isn't right. Shapes, angles, structures that don't belong to nature. And then there are the maps, drawn long before Antarctica was officially discovered, showing a land that looks eerily ice-free. So, here's the question. What is really hidden beneath Antarctica's ice? And who knew about it? The official story is simple. Antarctica has been frozen for tens of millions of years. No civilizations, no forests, no life beyond the extreme. Case closed. But there was a problem with this theory. In 1947, a U.S. Navy operation known as High Jump sent thousands of men to the continent. Officially, it was a training exercise. Unofficially, reports surfaced of strange observations, abrupt withdrawal, and silence. Historians dismissed it, until satellite imaging began revealing something unexpected: vast subglacial lakes, mountain ranges, and geometric anomalies. The first clue comes from beneath the ice itself. Lake Vostok, one of the largest hidden lakes on Earth, has been sealed off for millions of years. Yet early scans suggested unusual magnetic readings, as if something metallic or structured lay below. A lake untouched by time, possibly hiding more than water. But the strangest find was yet to come. Next, the Piri Reis map. Drawn in 1513, it appears to show the Antarctic coastline without ice, mountains, rivers, details that shouldn't have been visible for thousands of years. Experts argue coincidence, but the precision is unsettling. How could anyone map a frozen continent before it froze? And still, this wasn't the final piece. Then came modern satellite imagery. Researchers and independent analysts began pointing out pyramid-like formations, sharp, symmetrical peaks rising from the ice. Some say they're natural nunataks. Others aren't so sure, because symmetry like that is rarely accidental. So why haven't we heard more? Part of the answer may be simple. Antarctica is one of the most restricted places on Earth, governed by international treaty. No private exploration without oversight. Limited access, controlled narratives, and history has a habit of burying what it doesn't understand, or what it doesn't want understood. If a civilization once existed there before the ice, its story would challenge everything we think we know about human history. And that's not something easily accepted. So we're left with fragments, maps that shouldn't exist, structures that shouldn't be there, and a continent that refuses to give up its secrets. The ice is melting, slowly. And when it's gone, what will we finally see? If you believe history still has secrets waiting beneath the surface, subscribe. Because some stories were never meant to stay buried.